Now we are going to do Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama, inhale through throat. In the neck only we should inhale. Exhale through right. Close your left nostril with left hand, left thumb. Exhale with the right. This is a very simple instruction. Let's do some rounds. Do it slowly. We have to do Ising Pranayama. We call it Ujjayi. In this position, you can sit and start inhaling slowly through from the throat. The incoming air should be felt upper pelt, like that, very slowly. And exhaling, you have to make a ocean sound. Inhale, exhale. Inhale like a Ujjayi sound, like Ujjayi means winning sound, like that throat sound. It's called ocean sound. Like that, inhale, exhale will be through right nostril. Close your left. Keep practicing for 4 minutes. Start while making these swallowing movements. Bend lightly neck if you want, and keep while maintaining relaxed head region felt. Licking of the air below throat. Exhale slowly through your right nostril, and this you can practice 10 to 15 rounds of the Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama, this is a sound come out with the upper part of the throat, and it is very powerful pranayama, which will help you to release all the stress from the body, and it releases stress from the body. Okay, so this will activate thyroid and parathyroid glands. Ujjayi Pranayama, it soothes the nervous system, calm the mind, and increase the psychic sensitivity. It relieves insomnia, slow down the heart rate, and lowers your blood pressure. It is tranquilizing pranayama also called, but it also has a heating effect, stimulating the process of oxidation. And please practicing more. Lot of benefits of this headache relief, sinus relief, and degrees in the phlegm, and strengthen your nerves. Okay, Ujjayi breathing allows more prana, our vital life force, to enter the mind body, and there is it cleanses the channels nadis through which is passes. This pranayama, it helps to lot of benefits. Keep practicing. Ujjayi is useful for throat issues, shoulder issues, neck issues. All the people, they can practice daily 2 to 3 times in a day, so they get better benefited. Ujjayi Pranayama is the best pranayama which will help you for practicing more round of pranayama, like